Imagine you're standing in a busy street and suddenly everyone around you starts running in one direction. You don't know why, but you run too. Why did you follow the crowd? What if I told you there's a mathematical pattern behind this behavior? And it's the same pattern that drives viral videos, traffic jams, and even stock market crashes. By the end of this video, you'll see why humans aren't as unpredictable as you think, and how math secretly controls our decisions. Collective human behavior has fascinated scientists for decades. People often act like individuals, but in large groups, something strange happens. We start behaving almost like a single organism. Let me tell you a story. In 2003, a small rumor about a store discount spread like wildfire. People were lining up for hours. No announcement, no official campaign. Just people following people. Economists and mathematicians later modeled this behavior and found something amazing. Simple rules at an individual level can create incredibly complex group behavior. And the math behind it isn't just theory. It explains traffic jams, fads, financial bubbles, even why TikTok videos go viral. Here's where it gets really interesting. Mathematicians use network theory and probabilistic models to describe how one person's decision influences others. Think of it like this. You're at a party and you see someone laughing at a joke. There's a probability you'll start laughing too, even if you didn't find it funny. Now multiply that by 100 people, then 1,000. Suddenly one small spark triggers a massive chain reaction. In fact, research shows that in large groups, individual decisions matter less than the structure of the network itself. That's why some rumors or trends explode overnight, while others die quietly. This isn't just theoretical. Traffic engineers use these models to predict jams. Financial analysts study them to understand market crashes. Social media platforms design feeds that exploit these patterns to maximize engagement. Even social movements can be explained mathematically. One small spark, strategically placed, can trigger a cascade of collective action. Quick question. If everyone followed these rules perfectly, could we predict human behavior? Think carefully. The answer will surprise you. The truth is, while the math gives probabilities, humans add unpredictability. But the overall patterns are shockingly reliable. It's like weather forecasting, chaotic in detail, predictable in trends. Here's the mind-blowing part. Simple mathematical rules at an individual level can explain extremely complex collective phenomena. Birds flock, fish school, humans riot, all governed by local rules. Even online, one like, one share, one comment can spark a global trend. And here's a twist. Knowing this, you can predict trends, optimize your decisions, and even avoid getting swept up by the crowd. You're not powerless. You can leverage the math of collective behavior to your advantage. So next time you notice a crowd moving in unison or a video going viral, remember, it's not magic. It's math. And understanding it can give you a huge edge in life, business, and even social media. If you loved this deep dive into the hidden patterns of human behavior, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'm bringing more mind-blowing math mysteries every week. Comment below, what's the most surprising way you've noticed math in human behavior? I'll feature the best answers in my next video. Remember, math isn't just numbers. It's the secret code of life itself.